I think I just sent it to the wrong person.
He sent it to the wrong person. You heard it here first, folks. Alright, guys, we're here today to perform the fridge challenge. We're going to see if you can actually put a full-size male inside a fridge. Tommy, what is your hypothesis right now?
I'm about 5'8".
Nice hypothesis. I like it. Alright. Now, get in the fridge. As we can see, it's a tight fit. Just Tommy's a...
There's a piece of salami.
There's a piece of salami in there. He is completely in the fridge. He opened it! He opened from the inside! Oh my god! Oh! He did it! He did it! Guys.
Did you hear me?
No.
I can't open it! I can't see the salami!
Is it dark in there?
You can see me?
Are you actually stuck? My cat seems to care. Where's the salami at?